Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jose, and today my goal is to teach you guys, car salesmen, general managers, sales managers, desk managers, whatever you are. If you sell cars and you are watching this video, it's most likely because you're on Facebook. So the point of today is to teach you how to create Facebook advertisement from the very beginning, from step A all the way to step Z. You know, complete from taking a picture, creating your ad and everything. So over here, if you want to zoom to the car, we have a 2004 Lexus IS 300. This is the car that we're going to use for advertisement. We're running a $500 down special through all our lenders, and that's what we're going to go ahead and market. So we're going to start by taking some pictures of this car, and need a nice picture where it shows the car, the whole profile view, you know. So let's get started. We're gonna do some YouTube magic, take some photos real quick, and then we'll meet you back at the office. We're gonna start the video. All right, guys, we're back at the office. So the next thing we need to do is we need to create our ad. So what I use is this simple application called Thumbnail Maker, and it's for YouTube thumbnails, but I try to make it Instagram post or whatever, and it's got different settings, different sizes. Facebook post 940. Let's do Facebook post, and then we click on select the picture. We will select this picture. Let's see, this picture with the vehicle is right dead center. That's perfect, dead center. So we hit next, and then we're able to, oops, sorry, let's edit it. We're able to add text, and we're running a $5.99 down, right? So this, I'm sorry, $4.99 down. $4.99 down. Just like that. Let's see. You can also change the fonts. You see, they give you several fonts. You can edit the colors. So let's leave this generic. Okay, let's put it right here. $4.99 down. Following the car, just like that. And the color scheme for advertisement should have a background. The background, we prefer it to be yellow. Yellow background. What is this? This is the shadow. Add some shadow to your $4.99 down. I don't know if you can see it. Add some shadow, radius. Okay. Then the letters black. The color of the letters red. Okay. So there you see $4.99 down. And it's bold, big, bold. $4.99 down. Yellow, red, black. These are warning colors. The warning colors, it's gonna get attention, and then you have the blue and white in the back, which kind of blends in with your Facebook. Next is you add a sticker, which we have our logo. We add our logo to almost every picture we take and every video we do, and we can adjust the size. So we adjust the size to fit it in the corner. Now remember, since we read from left to right, our eyes will naturally go from top left. It's basically up, down, left, right. That's the way we see things. So here you see $4.99, up, down. You're gonna see the Lexus, left, right. You'll see, read the letter, and then see my logo. So this is subconscious right here. My logo is always there subconsciously. Then we are done with the advertisement. We move forward. Save picture. Saved. Great, and that is how you create an ad. So this right here is your Facebook ad. Also remember the 20% text rule. The screen is divided, okay? So as long as the text doesn't cover more than 20%, this right here is numbers and text, so it should be good. Try to keep it small words like look here or click now or whatever, stuff like that, you know? So there you go. Let's do some YouTube magic and send this to my laptop, and let's go into the Facebook ads. What's going on, guys? Okay, so here we are going to go into our Facebook ads. Okay, so we are our account. We click here and we go to manage ads. So manage ads. Once we go to manage ads, you go to your account, whatever. whatever that account name is, whatever pops up right there for you, click that. So now here you are presented with all your ads that you've done in the past, okay? So since we are creating something new, we're gonna start from scratch. Let's go to create. This is if you're a car salesperson, sell a car at a dealership, how to increase your sales, okay? So here we scroll down, we are met with our campaign objective. So our campaign is basically the top of the pyramid. So this is what we're gonna start. I'm gonna go through it real fast, and in another video, I guess I can explain everything. So our marketing objective here is going to be consideration, lead generation. So you see lead generation right here. We click on lead generation and we get started. So click on lead generation. Scroll down, you're gonna set your budget. I would prefer, since I know what it works, I know that works, I'm gonna go ahead and do a lifetime budget of $150, where it says campaign bid strategy. Let that be, let Facebook do the lowest cost bang for your money, right? So if you haven't yet done this, you can set your name, ad set name. So we're gonna do $4.99 down special. All right, there we go, $4.99 down special. Hidalgo Motors is my page. I have accepted the terms. Then I don't have any dynamic creative. So we're gonna go ahead and create an audience real quick. This is what I do. So if you're gonna show an offer, for example, I'm trying to market to a certain people. All right, I'm trying to get people in the door. So I go here and we go based on location. I put my city, Houston, and then it says Houston, Texas, United States. It shows our city and everything right there. And if you focus, there you go, Houston, Texas. So now you are targeting male and female people in Houston, Texas within 25 miles. Okay, so that works. So let's leave that the way it is. 18 to 65 is the age that we are targeting. Let's leave that the way it is as well. Gender, men and women, let's leave it all. Languages, leave it open, I guess. So, okay, I guess people that speak English, right? English, all. All right, cool. So you can see right here to my right, my audience is growing. I have 3.9 million people that I can reach just in the city of Houston alone based on this criteria. Next, I'm going to go to detailed targeting. This is where it gets juicy. This is where it gets good. First, you need to target engaged shoppers. Okay, engaged shoppers. These are people who are more likely to click on your post. So once you do engaged shoppers, we're gonna do a couple of more of targeting stuff. For example, I am having a Lexus as an advertisement. So we're gonna do used car because it is a used car. So interest, engaged shoppers, used car. We're gonna leave it sedan because this is sedan, right? Sedan, automobile, boom. We're just gonna keep it very simple, leave it like that. I am down from 3.9 million people down to 1.3 million people, but that's the people that is interested in buying cars. You can also do exclude people or narrow audience if you wanna exclude a certain type. Connections, you don't have to worry about disconnections unless you wanna run a certain offer to people who like your page, but that's a whole nother video. Placements. Facebook says automatic placements is recommended, but I say no. Based on my experience, we have to edit these placements and we have to go ahead and display only to mobile devices because 90% of people are on mobile and you want your dollars, hard-earned money to go ahead and be used. So we're gonna be marketing just through Facebook right now because I don't have an Instagram page yet. And we're gonna uncheck all these and just check Facebook news feed. That's where I want my post to pop up. I don't want my post to pop up in stories. I don't want my post to pop up on InStream, nothing like that. Just news feed, okay? All right, next, we scroll down to optimizations. We're optimizing our ads. We're optimizing our ads for leads. Cost control, the lowest bid strategy. Today is December 7th, 2019. We're gonna run this, not for a month. We're gonna run this for, let's see, today's December 7th. We're doing 150, 14. Let's do a week, okay? So 1 week. And let's do 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock. It's gonna start reporting at 4 o'clock, so here we go. All right, after that you hit continue, and we are going to move forward to the identity of the ad, creating the ad. This, I'm gonna put new $4.99 lead generation, okay? So here we are gonna create the ad. It's gonna ask you if you wanna do a carousel. Carousel is basically when there's like, you swipe through and there's 3 pictures or more, we're gonna have just one single image, and we're gonna go ahead and change the image. This is the one that already pops up. These are some of the previous ads. I wanna upload an image, and I wanna get one from here. Let's see, $4.99 down, here we go, bam. This is the one that I want, so this is the Facebook ad, it's uploading. Click on it, and then hit continue. So now we have our ad on there, very good. Okay, we scroll down, and we're gonna go ahead and put text in. That's a preview of what it's gonna look like. So a little bit of YouTube magic. Let me go ahead and type this in because I'm holding the phone with one hand. I need to type with the other, so here we go. All right, so once I have typed up my ad, for example, I have a copy ad like this. You can copy and do the same thing yourself if you wanna have the same success. $4.99, this is proven script that works. $4.99 down, all makes and models, holiday specials, low down payments, low monthly payments, no purchase history required. Click now to get started. This is what my dealership's running. This is what I'm running, okay? So once I do the headline, click now for your holiday special, and then my link, you're gonna look over, and this is what the ad is gonna look like, okay? It's gonna show your company name, sponsor, do all that stuff. Then we go to forms, but that's a complete different video. Question format is instant form. We created an instant form. We already got it where it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna collect your customer's first name, last name, email, and phone number for you. So once we do that, you also have an option to do a Facebook pixel. I'll go over that on a separate video. So it's something different. Let's hit continue or confirm. And just like that, I believe we have created our Facebook ad. It takes a little bit. Let's see. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Very good. All right, it's publishing right now. If you see it, it says ad published. All right, and it's still in review. So it usually takes 24 to 48 hours sometimes for them to review it. And if they don't approve your ad, just Facebook is pretty good about telling you why. So that is how you create. That's how you create an advertisement on Facebook if you're a car dealer. So if you've been watching, that is from beginning to the end how we do it. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you hit that like and subscribe button. Hidalgo Motors Company is proud to present this video. Have a good one. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.